Always be accessible. Replying to emails and Slack messages late at night or over weekends.
1 out of 10. Perfectionism is just a fancy, socially acceptable mask for the fear of judgment. It's an excuse to stay safe. Done is always better than perfect. Launch it, then learn.
The fake it till you make it mentality.
6 out of 10. It's okay to break initial hesitation or stage fear. But be careful. If you don't do the inner work to actually build that real capability, it turns into severe imposter syndrome. Use it to start. Don't rely on it to survive.
Staying in a bad situation, like a failing project or a toxic habit, just
3 out of 10. Your nervous system doesn't know the difference between a real event and a vivid imagination. When you loop the worst case scenario over and over, you're literally giving your body a response for something that hasn't even happened. Stop torturing yourself.
relying entirely on 4 cups of coffee to get through a high stress workday.
4 out of 10. Sneaky. Your brain is tricking you. It makes you do easy chores so you feel productive while you're actually running away from the emotional discomfort of the main task. Catch yourself when you do this.
Sitting with a problem and asking, what is this trying to teach me? Instead of why is this happening to me?
10 out of 10. This changes everything. The moment you shift from why me to what is the lesson, you move from being a helpless victim to the master of your own script. That's where your true power lies.